In this session we are going to discuss about the DT based discussion on cruise control system. Okay, design thinking is a human centered approach. Also it is a problem solving method. It has 5 stages. Can anyone explain these 5 stages?
Empathy, define, ideate, prototype and
Explain.
Empathy means understanding the customer's perspective and the problems what they are facing. Defining means we are going to define as many solutions for that specific problem. And in the ideate part, we will be coming up with the solutions for that problem, in which we will be picking the very suitable 1 or 2 problem solutions, and we will be prototyping it, and the next stage will be testing. We will be testing with the customer and also with the other people to get the feedback from them.
Okay, let you start your discussion.
Yeah, I am going to say about the empathy part of this. Our topic is about cruise control systems in automobile. During the long travels in the roads, the drivers are facing fatigue due to the speed control. Controlling the speed manually is very difficult, right? In the long distance traveling, they will be not able to control the speed in unfair roads and all. So we will be going to the cruise control, which will be automatically connected with the car. So the defined part will be
maintaining a constant vehicle speed is very difficult to drivers. So when they are changing the road and winding resistance and when go the hills, up hills and down hills, and traffics, there are very difficult to accelerate the pedal is very difficult to drivers. So we are give the one problem solution for this, and that's all.
So coming to the ideate part, the cruise control system is an automobile for the closed loop control system, and designed to the PID controller to maintain the speed control to the PID controller, and it compares to the input and output, that is designed input and actual output, and it compares to the automatically taught the mistakes and ensure the operation, and even in the presence of that is a difference such as road slope and hard drag and road safety, and accurate. It provides accurate to the speed regulation. The cruise speed control is automatically real-time application for the control system. Thank you.
So for ideate, we need to design a system means we need a component. So for that we need a speed sensor. It tells the system how fast the car is moving. While coming to the electronic current circuit control unit means it thinks and make the decision, and for controller it controls the system, and if is there any error means it will
and next testing part. In testing part, the prototype is ready. The announced testing part. The whole components will be assembled in the car, and the components how it will be working. While checking process will how the sensors are working. In real-time world applications that Tesla have tested many other components in Tesla EV vehicles cars. They are testing, however, it isn't. We are using while driving auto mode. We are using mobile. It cannot suggest to drive using mobile while using mobile. How it is controlling the whole system and speed control on the car. We not see mobiles. They will be put in auto modes. It will be drive while driving. But it has some limit also. Per month, 3 times only warnings. Mobile warning per month only 3 times. After we want to climb it, we want to pay some amount to Tesla. The application must be like that. Also, the sensors, speed sensors are controlling to all other areas, and using some camera modules, it identifying the mobile applications, and mainly they are using to speed sensor in cruise control. Why they are using cruise controller? We adjust the speed, and we can increase the speed, we can modify it to any other user perspective. We can modify it. The speed monitoring and the sensor will be activated under command of cruise control. It is utilized for all the peoples and very useful. And export is conclusions. Whenever we have traveled into many other hills areas and many areas, we cannot adjust speed into normal, and the wind will be adjusting and temperature will be different. We cannot adjust into manual. It can identify into automatic by using some of the sensors, and it will be work upon a cruise control method. We can adjust the speed limit and control it all others. Using of sensors, speed sensors and some motion sensor controllers, many controllers we have used in a cars, and we can identify some issues in the system, and we can build it into a stronger.
So by using design thinking for design this cruise control method, we can enhance the driver safety also as well as comfortness. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.